Coming from another galaxy, from the most amazing place on the internet, Placeit. Let me present the best 5 items for you to boost your brand. If you call yourself a gamer, this is what you need to defeat your enemies. This is the gamer tag. Number 1. Gaming Logo Maker.
Never judge a game by its cover. But let's be real, epic games come with epic covers. A logo is like your cover. We all know that making a gaming logo can be challenging, but even more so if you don't have any design background. But with Placeit's Gaming Logo Maker, it couldn't be easier. All templates are made by professional creatives, so you'll get an awesome logo in a few clicks and little effort. Fantasy creatures, gaming icons, 8-bit characters, or even human characters.
Number 2. T-shirts.
What about making some hot merch for your gaming team? Brand your team with cool merch like these t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, or even pop sockets that you can sell at events or online. Cause you know, the gaming life ain't cheap. You don't even need any design programs to make it, and promoting it is easy as using mockups. Just select yours, and then select your image to put it in the mockup. And that's it, just like that.
Number 3. Banner.
Well, now it's time to do the crossover to the digital world. But like in a big way. Make your own creative and eye-catching banner for your Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. Yeah, all of them! Give a cohesive look to your accounts, we'll definitely give you the professional look. There are tons of designs, fonts, and graphics for you to choose. Grow your channel with your own customized banner and start following the path of the pros.
Number 4. Intro Video Maker.
Level up your channel. You have the look. Now, keep up with the style for your videos with animated logo intros, short intro videos, and video transitions created in just minutes. Make them right in your browser and have them ready to be shared today. Do you already have a song for your intro? You can select one from Placeit's library. Surf through all our different styles and find that beat that makes your heart beat.
Final level. Finish it.
Okay, let's be real. At this point, and only if you follow my 4 tips, you should be pretty epic. But it's time to become a legend. Yes, a legend. By giving the final touch to your channel, I have only one word for you. Overlay. Get ready for the streaming part with a hot overlay that remind all your followers your social media, the name of your channel, the game that you're playing, and even more. You can personalize it as many times as you want to. Play with your channel's brand and show off a clean design that will let your enemies like what?
Well done. Flawless victory.
Well guys, these were my 5 best tips items for you to level up your gaming brand. This is a tag that I invented, but I want to know which tools do you usually use so we could help us each other. So I decided to nominate to all of you guys. Remember to name us in your video so we could see your 5 tips. Thanks for... Oh, hold on. I am not doing that part.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button.
See you later.
Game over.